Are you applying expensive hair oils thinking they'll reverse your gray hair when the science shows they're doing absolutely nothing for melanin production? What if the oil industry has convinced millions of people to waste money on products that can't possibly work because oils don't address the root cause of graying? Most people massage oils into their scalp daily without understanding that gray hair happens inside the follicle where topical oils can't reach. The truth is, there's a fundamental problem with using oils for gray hair that nobody talks about. Today, I'm revealing why oils fail for gray hair and what actually works based on scientific research. This might completely change how you approach reversing premature graying. Stick around until the end, because I'll share the one oil that might actually help. The fundamental reason oils can't reverse gray hair is that graying occurs deep inside the hair follicle where melanocytes stop producing melanin. And topical oils applied to your scalp simply cannot penetrate deep enough to reach these melanocyte cells or influence melanin production. Research from dermatology journals shows that the hair follicle bulb where melanocytes reside sits approximately 3 to 4 millimeters below the skin surface. The mechanism involves understanding hair structure and physiology. Studies reveal that hair shafts that have already grown out are dead protein structures with no living cells or metabolic activity. Research demonstrates that once a hair strand is gray, no topical application can change its color because there are no living processes occurring in that hair shaft. Clinical research has examined the penetration depth of various oils and cosmetic ingredients. According to studies published in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology, most oils and their constituent molecules remain in the upper layers of the stratum corneum. Research shows that even with massage and extended application time, oils penetrate at most 1 to 2 millimeters into skin, nowhere near the depth needed to reach hair follicle bulbs. Think about those frustrating months or years you might have spent applying coconut oil, castor oil, or specialty herbal oils to your scalp expecting gray hair reversal. Your melanocytes deep in the follicle had no idea those oils were even there because the oils never reached them. Research demonstrates that the skin barrier exists specifically to prevent external substances from penetrating deep into tissue. Here's what makes the oil marketing for gray hair particularly misleading. Many products claim that specific oils contain nutrients or antioxidants that support melanocyte function, which sounds scientifically plausible. Research shows that while some oils do contain beneficial compounds like vitamin E or polyphenol, these compounds cannot reach melanocytes through topical scalp application. The vitamin and antioxidant content in oils like argan oil or rosemary oil might benefit surface skin health, but they don't address the internal metabolic problems causing melanocytes to stop producing melanin. Research reveals that melanocyte dysfunction involves oxidative stress within the cell, catalase enzyme decline, and hydrogen peroxide accumulation, none of which topical oils can influence. Before we move on, I'd love to know where you're watching from. If this content is helping you understand why oils don't reverse gray hair, type 1 in the comments or 0 if it doesn't. And if you're serious about reversing gray hair naturally, make sure to subscribe to HairThrive and turn on notifications. Understanding what actually causes gray hair reveals why external oil applications can't solve the problem and points toward what does work. Research shows that gray hair results from melanocyte dysfunction and depletion within the hair follicle bulb, involving complex internal cellular processes that require internal nutritional and metabolic interventions. The mechanism involves melanocytes, the pigment-producing cells in hair follicles, losing their ability to produce melanin through several interconnected pathways. Studies reveal that oxidative stress accumulates in melanocytes over time as protective antioxidant systems decline. Research demonstrates that the enzyme catalase, which normally breaks down hydrogen peroxide in cells, decreases with age in melanocytes. Clinical research has documented that hydrogen peroxide accumulation in melanocytes directly bleaches melanin and damages the cells that produce it. According to studies published in the Federation of American Societies for Experimental Biology journal, melanocytes in gray hair follicles show massive hydrogen peroxide buildup. Research shows this peroxide accumulation blocks the enzyme tyrosinase that's essential for melanin synthesis. Think about how this internal cellular problem requires internal solutions rather than external oil applications. Your melanocytes need adequate antioxidant nutrients delivered through your bloodstream to combat oxidative stress and hydrogen peroxide accumulation. Research demonstrates that nutrients like copper, B vitamins, and antioxidants must reach melanocytes through internal circulation, not through topical application. Studies examining nutritional deficiencies and gray hair found strong correlations between specific nutrient deficits and premature graying. The research demonstrated that deficiencies in vitamin B12, copper, iron, and folate directly impair melanocyte function and melanin production. Getting these nutrients from food or supplements allows them to reach melanocytes through your bloodstream in bioavailable forms. Here's what makes the internal approach fundamentally different from topical oils. When you consume nutrients that support melanocyte function, your digestive system absorbs them, your bloodstream distributes them throughout your body, and they reach every hair follicle bulb through the network of capillaries supplying each follicle. Research reveals that hair follicles have extensive blood supply precisely because rapidly dividing cells in follicles need constant nutrient delivery. The one oil that might actually help with gray hair is fish oil or omega-3 fatty acid supplements, but not through topical application to your scalp. Instead, consuming omega-3 fatty acids internally addresses inflammation and oxidative stress systemically throughout your body, including in hair follicles. Research shows this represents a completely different mechanism than topical oil application. The mechanism involves omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA found in fish oil, incorporating into cell membranes throughout your body, including in melanocytes and hair follicle cells. Studies reveal that omega-3s reduce inflammatory signaling molecules called cytokines. Research demonstrates that chronic inflammation accelerates melanocyte depletion and contributes to premature graying. Clinical research has examined omega-3 supplementation and various aging markers. According to studies published in nutritional journals, people who consume adequate omega-3 fatty acids show reduced markers of systemic inflammation and oxidative stress. Research shows that while no studies specifically examined omega-3s and gray hair reversal, the anti-inflammatory effects logically support melanocyte health. Think about how different this internal omega-3 approach is from rubbing oil on your scalp. When you consume fish oil capsules or eat fatty fish, your digestive system breaks down the fats, absorbs the EPA and DHA, and distributes them through your bloodstream to every cell in your body. Research demonstrates that omega-3s then incorporate into cell membranes over weeks to months, changing how those cells function. Here's what makes fish oil supplementation a legitimate intervention, unlike topical oils. The typical recommended dose of 2 to 3 grams of combined EPA and DHA daily provides anti-inflammatory effects throughout your body. Research reveals that this systemic inflammation reduction benefits not just hair follicles, but also cardiovascular health, joint health, and brain function. The time frame for omega-3 supplementation requires realistic expectations. Research reveals that omega-3 fatty acids take approximately 8 to 12 weeks to substantially incorporate into cell membranes after you begin supplementation. Studies show that benefits for inflammation reduction appear gradually over months, not days or weeks. If you're finding this helpful, please take a moment to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps this video reach other people who might not know that topical oils don't reverse gray hair, but internal nutrition does. The evidence-based approach for gray hair reversal involves correcting nutritional deficiencies that impair melanocyte function, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, and supporting cellular health through diet and targeted supplementation. Research shows this internal nutritional approach addresses the root causes of graying rather than applying ineffective topical treatments. The mechanism involves providing melanocytes with the specific nutrients they need for melanin synthesis and for protecting themselves from oxidative damage. Studies reveal that copper is absolutely essential as a cofactor for the enzyme tyrosinase that catalyzes melanin production. Research demonstrates that vitamin B12 is critical for DNA synthesis in melanocytes, and deficiency directly causes graying. Clinical case studies have documented gray hair reversal after correcting specific nutritional deficiencies. According to research from trichology journals, Patients with documented B12 deficiency who received B12 supplementation experienced partial repigmentation of gray hair over 3 to 6 months. Research shows similar results with copper deficiency correction in some individuals. Think about how this nutritional approach makes biological sense when you understand melanocyte metabolism. Your melanocytes are living cells with specific nutritional requirements for their specialized function of producing melanin pigment. Research demonstrates that providing optimal nutrition through diet gives these cells the raw materials and metabolic support they need to function properly. Here's what an evidence-based nutritional approach for gray hair includes. First, ensure adequate intake of copper through foods like oysters, liver, nuts, and seeds, or through modest supplementation if dietary sources are insufficient. Research reveals that copper deficiency impairs tyrosinase enzyme function and directly prevents melanin synthesis. Second, optimize vitamin B12 status through animal foods like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy, or through supplementation, especially for people over 50. Research shows that B12 deficiency becomes increasingly common with age due to reduced stomach acid production. Studies demonstrate that maintaining optimal B12 levels supports melanocyte DNA synthesis and overall function. Third, address iron status, particularly in women where iron deficiency is common. Research demonstrates that iron deficiency contributes to hair problems, including premature graying. Studies show that ferritin levels should be optimized through dietary sources like red meat and liver, or through iron supplementation if deficient. Fourth, ensure adequate intake of antioxidant nutrients including vitamin C, vitamin E, and selenium from colorful fruits and vegetables. Research reveals that antioxidants help combat the oxidative stress that damages melanocytes. Studies show that people with higher antioxidant status through diet show reduced markers of cellular aging. Fifth, reduce factors that accelerate oxidative stress, including smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, chronic stress, and poor sleep. Research demonstrates that smoking dramatically increases oxidative stress and depletes B vitamins. Studies show that eliminating smoking improves overall cellular health, including in hair follicles. The biggest mistake people make is relying on topical oils and external treatments for gray hair when graying is fundamentally an internal cellular problem requiring internal nutritional solutions. Here's the critical truth. You cannot fix melanocyte dysfunction and nutrient deficiencies by rubbing oils on your scalp, no matter how expensive those oils are or how convincing the marketing claims sound. The mechanism involves understanding that skin evolved as a barrier to keep external substances out of your body, not to allow their penetration into deep tissues. Studies show that melanocytes producing pigment for your hair sit 3 to 4 millimeters below the skin surface in the follicle bulb. Research demonstrates that topical oils cannot penetrate anywhere near this depth. Think about the common pattern where people spend years and hundreds or thousands of dollars on various hair oils and topical products without any actual gray hair reversal. Research reveals that the hair care industry profits enormously from products that sound scientifically plausible but don't address the actual biological mechanisms of graying. Another critical mistake is not testing for nutritional deficiencies before assuming your graying is purely genetic. Research demonstrates that many cases of premature graying involve correctable nutritional factors, particularly B12, copper, iron, and folate deficiencies. Studies show that simple blood tests can identify these deficiencies, allowing targeted correction. Expecting instant results from nutritional interventions leads people to give up before benefits appear. Research shows that correcting long-standing nutritional deficiencies takes months, and hair growth is slow enough that visible improvements require patience. Studies demonstrate that people who maintain optimal nutrition consistently for 6 months or longer see the best results. Not addressing lifestyle factors that accelerate graying undermines nutritional efforts. Research reveals that smoking, excessive alcohol, chronic stress, and poor sleep all increase oxidative stress and deplete nutrients. Studies show that continuing these behaviors while trying to optimize nutrition creates a situation where you're working against yourself. The solution is abandoning topical oils for gray hair and instead focusing on optimizing your internal nutritional status through nutrient-dense foods, targeted supplementation for any identified deficiencies, reduction of oxidative stress through lifestyle changes, and realistic expectations about gradual improvement over months. Get blood tests to identify deficiencies. Eat foods like oysters and liver that provide concentrated nutrients. Take fish oil for anti-inflammatory effects. Eliminate smoking and reduce alcohol. Give the process 6 months before evaluating results. You now understand that topical oils cannot reverse gray hair because graying occurs deep inside hair follicles where oils cannot penetrate, and because gray hair results from internal cellular problems in melanocytes that require internal nutritional solutions. The one oil that might help is fish oil taken internally for its anti-inflammatory effects, not applied topically. The evidence-based approach involves optimizing nutrition to support melanocyte function and reduce oxidative stress. This means ensuring adequate intake of copper from foods like oysters, nuts, and liver, or modest supplementation. It means optimizing B12 status through animal foods or supplements, especially if you're over 50. It means addressing iron deficiency if present. Remember that reversing gray hair through nutrition requires months of consistent optimal nutrition before visible results appear because hair grows slowly and you're waiting for new pigmented hair to grow out. You won't see existing gray hair change color, but new growth may show improved pigmentation after 3 to 6 months if your graying involves correctable nutritional factors. If this video helped you understand why oils don't reverse gray hair and what actually works, please share it with someone who could benefit from this evidence-based approach. Make sure to subscribe to HairThrive for more science-backed content about reversing gray hair through nutrition. Hit that notification bell so you never miss videos that could help you restore your natural hair color through proper internal nutrition. Thanks for watching and trusting me to share the truth about oils and gray hair backed by science. I'll see you in the next video.